In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link databases in Notion to build a workflow. Linking databases is one of the most powerful ways to use Notion because it lets you bring information from different places into a single organized view. Instead of jumping back and forth between pages and getting lost, you can create a central hub where everything you need is connected and easy to see. First, start by opening the Notion page where you want your workflow to live. This could be a dashboard, a project page, or even a simple notes page that you're turning into something more powerful. Make sure you're in edit mode on that page so you can add new content. It helps to scroll to the exact spot where you want your linked database to appear, because Notion will insert it right where your cursor is. Next, click into the page and type a / followed by the word link. You'll see a menu pop up with different block options that match what you typed. This / command is Notion's quick way of letting you create more advanced elements without hunting through menus. As you type link, look for the option that mentions databases or data sources. From that list, click on Linked View of Data Source. This is the key step. A linked view doesn't create a new separate database. Instead, it shows you another view of an existing database, which means all of your data stays in one place. But you can slice and display it differently depending on the page you're on. This is perfect for workflows because you might want a filtered project view on one page and a timeline or board view on another, all based on the same underlying database. Once you click Linked View of Data Source, Notion will open a panel where you can select which database you want to link. You'll see a list of existing databases from your workspace. Take a moment to choose the one that actually stores the information you want to work with, such as tasks, clients, content, or projects. Click on the correct database to confirm your selection. After you select it, Notion will drop a linked view of that database onto your page. From here, you can customize the view, apply filters, change the layout, and truly shape it into a workflow that matches how you like to work.